Serrano. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Katie Taylor.
For the third time, the rivalry in women's boxing will clash on the canvas. Puerto Rico's 7-division world champion Amanda Serrano will face off against Ireland's undisputed and undefeated lineal world lightweight champion Katie Taylor. The two have met twice before, with Taylor winning both times in a questionable decision. A third match has been scheduled to determine who is truly the best and most resilient. Who do you think will win this time around? Will Serrano be able to bounce back, or will Taylor remain victorious? Before the third bout begins, let's take a look back at some of the fight highlights from their careers.
Forward, some crisp, accurate shots. Beautiful shot there with the left hand.
Constant pressure. And down is that.
Right hands, the sharp right hands that she got through in a couple of applause from the crowd. It's really good what Katie's doing. She's allowing Carvajal to punch us, and she's exchanging her last hands when Katie's pulled out high and pulled straight back in the straight. Works away the left hook, but Carvajal landed a good shot in that exchange as well. And Katie Taylor.
Oh, lovely right hand from Katie, from best of the minute.
Karen Carvajal, who's been game but second best for most of them.
And still, the undisputed.
Stevie already looks kind of tight.
But once you eat that first punch, usually that'll loosen you up a little bit. And she's already eaten a couple. Serrano with a quick hand. A nice left hand for Serrano.
Amanda was smiling in the lock. Stevie's already rocked. She's rocked. Amanda got her.
Nice game plan. She's eating almost every punch Serrano throws.
Oh, man.
Serrano is biting down. She's throwing everything for his.
Oh,
And the referee
punches, and it was too much.
steps in.
A little wary as well. You have to respect someone, right? You have too much pedigree. Fight behind the jab, box, move around.
And knocks her down right there with the hook.
From Katie Taylor, going hooks to the body, and a right hand lands the combination of every time out. Extremely consistent every single fight. Round 9 skips. Now she's been hurt by a lot here, but it looks like Benji Esteves is saying that's it. That's it. It's over. Katie Taylor with the stoppage. Rose Velocity is
29 have come within the front. That's good left hand. 9, 10, 8, 10 in her last.
Part of this fight is that she forehand left shot.
And then Nunez turns. That was a lazy lead. Great head movement. And now
It's over.
stepping forward and varying the shots. Good left hand from Katie Taylor. She's been involved in so many.
Far out. They're easy to time.
This is
Good left hook from
finish.
Katie.
Katie Taylor finds room for the left hook. Just steps back. And again, another left hook from Katie Taylor. The best shot of that footing.
Still, the undisputed.
At least 20 pounds there. Right away, forward, constant pressure. And down, is that a knockdown? It is! 3! Class's 7-time world champion, Amanda.
Kayla's upping the work rate here now. And Hahn goes down. She builds throughout this contest so far.
So she's going to be aggressive, just out of habit and temptation.
Effective punches, 90% of
We did. Got through.
Get down? I don't know, but Serrano certainly is working harder.
Serrano. It's Buckley's in it.
Third opponent.
Oh, good shot from Katie Taylor. Gentili hurt there, leaning forward. Some crisp, accurate shots. Beautiful shot there with the left hand. It was the combination of this. Can't cope with Katie Taylor.
For the women.
Oh,
Nice
there's a right
hook.
here. That rock Garula.
Yeah, the ropes out.
There's a right. Oh,
On a quit.
she is in trouble. 30.
But everybody
Right,
in the women's
Oh,
game.
big right hook again. Garula's basically out on her feet. 10 seconds and that's it.
Let's see how tough she is, because this is a real serious attack coming through from the fast hands and the accurate hands of Katie Taylor. Her right hand gets through there as well, and she is in trouble. Now corner again, last few seconds of the round, and then gets out. Oh, she's game, but she's on the floor, right.
The rematch was a lot better.
Yep.
But I still think this.
Maçın gidişatı belli. Knockout etme peşinde. Ama iyi kapanıyor. Önce karnından dördüncü knockout olmuş olduğu
se viene con toda la Puerto Rico. Argentina no puede salir de contra y mete bomba otra vez arriba que va a guapearle en el infighting a Serrano. Argentina en cuerdas. No. Bomba de Serrano y la colgó a
Katie Taylor, but no sooner as she punches, you know that Pursoon is going to return fire and. Oh, good right hand, lovely crisp right hand there from Katie Taylor. Responding, but again, is she just letting the Belgian back into this? Shots from Katie Taylor there, and again, leaving it all in the ring. Fantastic stuff. Well, we've seen 20 rounds from these two, and I take my hat off.
And still the undisputed.
Round two with Serrano applying the heat. There's that looping right by Sam. It is all after she fires. Oh, beautiful uppercut by. Good hand speed here by Body. Break down her opponent. Continues to put on pressure. Is that it? And Jeff DeBez says that's it.
To becoming a better chess match. No, she has. She's just been relatively outclassed. Although they have given her strict instructions.
The fighting pride of Ireland.
Así que la tiene que ser justo, pero ella no tiene nada. Ya Amanda sabe que la tiene. No, ahora mismo no. La pelea contra ella misma. No ha tirado un golpe. Nada. No. Ella realmente muy
Entirely. A pressure fighter, yeah, brings problems. Jessica McCaskill, who came in as a huge under.
Good timing, good punch selection.
And still.
And a straight left that catches De Silva, and De Silva goes down. Not showing, just peppers away at De Silva. How much of a beating is she going to take?
Left hand right from Kapinska, but Taylor getting to work. Kapinska's tough. She's tough. Just look at the way she's taking it.
Coming back here from Kapinska, but Williams is having a really good look. He's going to jump in anytime now, I think. Anytime now. And there he goes. And that's a good stoppage.